Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making devil chicken, juicy chicken tossed in glossy flavored packed sauce with just right balance of heat and sweetness. This is restaurant style dish you can easily make at home. For this recipe, you can use any part of the chicken, but chicken with the bones gives the best flavor and juiciness. I have 1.5 kilos of mixed pieces and season them with salt, pepper, chili powder, and little turmeric, and finish it off with lemon juice. Give everything a good mix so the flavors coat the chicken evenly. Then let it rest for few minutes before cooking. I am going to fry the chicken. You don't need to deep fry. A little oil works perfectly. If you prefer, you can also air fry the chicken. That works really well too. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the chicken. If the oil isn't hot enough, the meat may stick to the pan. Don't overcrowd the pan. I am cooking the chicken in two batches. Just one layer at a time is perfect. This helps the chicken cook evenly and gives it a nice color instead of steaming. At this stage, it is important to cook the chicken completely. Flip the pieces from time to time so they cook evenly and get a nice color on all sides. Now we are at the final step. Before you start this stage, make sure everything is prepared and ready to go because this part cooks very fast. First, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of corn flour, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. This is up to your spice level. To balance the flavor, I am adding half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is optional. You can add if you have aromatic spices. It should be a pinch. Mix it well and keep aside. Then you need ginger garlic, chili paste. If you don't have, you can use chili flakes. Now for the vegetables, I have chopped two large tomatoes, the white part of a leeks, onions, curry leaves, red chilies, bell peppers in two colors. Today I am using banana capsicum. If you can find it, it really takes this dish to another level. Let's finish this off. I am using the same pan I used to fry the chicken. The leftover oil is full of flavors. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add the ginger garlic paste. Next, add all the vegetables except the tomatoes. At this stage, keep the flame on high heat, otherwise, the vegetable will release water and lose their crunch. I am adding little bit of salt just for the vegetables. If you have aromatic spice, you can sprinkle a pinch. Now I am using my chili paste. And finally, the tomatoes. To keep everything fresh and slightly crunchy. Pour the prepared sauce mixture and then add fried chicken back into the pan. Mix everything well until the chicken is fully coated in the glossy flavor packed sauce. And here it is, deviled chicken, hot, glossy, and packed with flavor. You can see the color, the shine, and those crunchy vegetables still holding their freshness. Every bite has juicy chicken, bold spices, and that perfect balance of heat, sweetness, and savory goodness. This dish is perfect with fried rice, plain rice, noodles, or even its own. See how tender is the chicken. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.